Oh wait.
अरे ये
झाडू मारायचं.
बस आता ना
कोण मोठा मी आता पासून
I want a baby.
नको नको नको
हाँ चले.
1 2 3
One more.
No.
I'll empty this. Hi guys, I am Krishna and welcome to my channel Globe for my goggles. Oh, it's my Masi's channel but featuring me.
So, what are we shooting today and why is it so?
It's my birthday
And why are we shooting your birthday video today?
because I saw my uncle on the video like this and I felt like I wanted this video like this. So that's why I asked my Masi.
Embedding Rishi's birthday video over here. And so, what do you want to do on your birthday?
First, I want to play games because I love to play party games. So games, and after that, I'm cutting the cake and then opening the presents.
So, should we start the video?
Yes.
So, let's start the video.
Come on, go! 1, 2, 3. Pari cheating, Pari. Losers. Correct है. Come on, Jiju, come on.
I am so excited to open every one of these gifts.
And how many gifts did you get?
I got 8 gifts because I have turned 8 years old.
Yay!
Yeah!
And have you noticed that the wrapping of gift is unique?
Like they are like they are all like some animals except this big one.
Then what is this one with the cap?
It is a unicorn, which are my
what
favorite.
is- Tell every gift. What is that?
And this is a owl. This is a cat. I think it's a pussy cat. Pussy. I think it's a pussy cat.
Yes.
It's a cat. This doesn't have any decorations.
And what is this?
It is a cat.
Show it.
It is a dog. It is dog.
It is a origami cat, right?
Yes, and this is butterflies with a bird. This is a lotus. So I am going to open these gifts. So
Should we start opening the gift?
yes. So I am going to open this unicorn gift first. I love this. I'm going to open this first just because it's my favorite animal. The horn and the tail. That's why. So let's
Open.
start opening it.
Open it.
I just cut the game with a haircut.
Start cutting from here.
Oh, don't hurt me!
Don't hurt.
Something unicorn is.
मोबाइल फोन
It's not a mobile phone, Nana. I think it's. What is this?
Aeroplane.
What is it? I don't know. I'll open this plastic also. I think it is a lunch box, and
No, it's a jewelry box which has a lock special for you so that no one can open it except you.
Then how to open this?
Wait. Already it will open, no?
Yeah, salad.
Open!
Wow!
Show it.
This is an awesome jewelry box. I love this, but now let's keep it closed. Okay, so let's keep it under the table.
Yes.
Opening this,
Okay, what is the wrapping on it?
it has butterflies and a bird. I like these animals also.
Origami, butterfly and bird. So let's remove all this first. You
But
can-
I don't want to tear it anymore. Wow! I think it is a game. It's a game, a
Yes.
board game.
board game and it's what? Incredible India.
Incredible India. Wow.
It's to improve your knowledge on India.
So I
What are
think this game helps us know all about India. Like who's the Prime Minister, who's the CM,
national animals,
like
national symbols,
national animals, national
national birds.
symbols,
Incredible India.
Incredible India, and also the national states.
Okay.
So next gift
You will review it on your mama's channel. Yes.
yes, next I want to open the owl.
Owl.
This is the owl. I also like the owls because they're like cute. What? I don't know what fruit. I'm sorry, owl, but I want to know what's inside you. Awesome thing. I think it is
Magic.
Wow.
Jungle
What
magic.
it is?
jungle magic.
No, it
No, I
is.
think it's a magic.
What is jungle magic?
Jungle
Read it.
magic. It is
It is a nice science experiment where you can grow vegetables.
We can grow vegetables in this, and I think this is going to give us a lot of help in this lockdown.
Yeah.
Look, look.
So this is the awesome game.
So you're going to try this?
Success.
Yes, I want to open the red one.
Okay. So this is just a simple design.
Yes,
Yes.
it is a game for spelling sentences.
Sentence
It's a
builder.
sentence builder.
Sentence builder, like I like bread and jam.
Is this going to help you in forming sentences?
Yes.
Now what?
Give is the yes.
Take
This
this.
Cat.
The
So
cat.
you can take out this.
This is a cat which I'm going to keep because I want to have it as a souvenir of all these days. It is a pottery maker which I had, and suddenly it stopped working. So I have got a new one that is so great because I love to do this.
So now you will make a pottery for me for
Yes.
home decor.
I will make a fork and spoon pot for you.
Okay. Now what?
This. I want to open this cat gift.
This is a dog, baby.
I think it is.
Yeah.
Let's open the ears. Then the eyes.
You don't have to.
Then this what it is, I think it is a set which is magnetic, which we can make so many awesome drawings. Wow.
It's magnetic puzzle.
It is a magnetic puzzle. So this is awesome, Masti. Okay, so next I'm going to open this Lotus gift with muffin.
And muffin is also.
And
here.
muffin is also part of this video because
Is your.
he's like my little brother.
Let's open the
He
gift
loves
now.
me. So I want to remove this lotus very carefully because I don't want to damage it because it's our national flower.
Yeah.
So what is it? What is it? Mercy, can you help me?
Yeah.
Got it.
Got it? Should we call Anko for the bigger gift?
I think I can manage.
I I think we should call Anku.
What is it? What is it? Okay, let's see Anku.
What is this? Is it the Domino's?
I think it is
Domino's.
Domino's.
What you do is you arrange them and then you make them fall.
Oh yes, it's like Jenga.
Yeah, kind of Jenga, but Jenga is used as a puzzle, and this is how thin it is. So,
It is
Right?
very thin.
so what you will do is you will arrange them. Now, which gift is left?
The bigger one.
Only the bigger one. Wait, let's call Anku.
Anku!
Anku!
Super Anku!
Anku!
This is how I can't
Now
do
I'm
it.
getting aside because we will need lot of help.
I also want to remove a hair of this gift. Die!
Anku.
Hello guys.
This is
So all this
Wait,
wrapping
let me
is
help you.
all this wrapping is whose effort? Who has taken camera?
all this wrapping is Anku's effort. Right, Anku?
Even the idea is mine.
Even the idea is his. So that's why we're taking him.
Seriously, if a flying chappal comes in, should I edit it or?
Let's open it with you.
No. Like this? Okay. You think it's a big gift? Very big gift?
I don't know.
What do you think?
But maybe I think
It is her main
Very
gift.
big
It is her main
it's
gift.
a big teddy.
No, it is her main
It is
gift.
your main gift.
The one
Do
you
you
which
think it will be very big?
I think.
Yeah, you think so? Okay. Let's see. Oh, what's there inside?
It's a small gift.
Okay, let me help you.
It's a trick, it's a trick.
Huh?
Another box.
Because
What is there?
as you see, it is this Korea thing which is good and it is not, and I am not getting it. I think it is a trick.
What's there inside?
Oh wait.
झाडू मारायचं तुम्ही.
photo काढ ना, photo पण काढ.
बस आता मी कोण म्हणत
One more. 1, 2, 3.
One more.
No. Back.
खाली काय तरी gift
That's
असेल.
why I said there is possibility of flying chappal in the video.
So is it the best gift till now?
I think.
अरे chocolate.
If not best, you are enjoying this the most, right?
Yes.
Yes. So all your gifts should have been packed like this, right? Agreed? Yeah. Listen, tell it to Mama.
Only that's it.
दोघांना झाडू मारायचं.
You got the gift? You got the gift?
मागतील बघ.
Wait, let me.
काय?
You got the gift in this? Where is the gift? Where is the gift? Oh, so you got another box.
Still filled with paper.
नको पप्पा, तुझ्याच बघा आता. बघा ना, मोबाईल खाली ठेवा.
Oh, you threw the gift.
काय?
You threw the gift.
Over.
Are you threw the gift? Is that your gift?
Yes.
But this was a gift.
Yes, give it.
Take that box, pack it up, give it to Nikita.
Okay, now whatever. Okay, so this is your gift. Okay, wear it. So you're happy with the gift, right?
Yes, wait.
You're happy with the gift?
One more thing.
Wait. So this is your gift?
Yes.
Or is there anything inside?
Anything else.
Oh, smart girl, huh?
I
No.
think yes.
What is that?
I think it is a even smaller bit, and I think it's going to go in box in box.
There is a box in box?
Yes.
Oh my god. Isn't that like a mystery?
Yeah.
Okay.
Main gift is there.
Let's open this. Yeah!
So there was this box, then there was this, then there was this box. And within that,
There'll be another box.
another box.
Yay! This is
Happy birthday.
Oh, so you got the gift finally.
So let's open
I
it.
don't know.
Okay, shall I help you?
What do you think that might be inside?
Do you think there will be gift or there will be more of this?
There will
More of fun?
Yes, there will be gift.
Oh.
I have two things, gift or more of fun. If
What
there's
is-
more of fun, I am declaring there's the best party of my life and to continue for every month, every 20 June.
Oh my god, what is this?
It's a walkie-talkie. Yay! And it is an electronic walkie-talkie like police is.
So you had asked, you're right for it.
Yes!
You happy?
Yes! And this is the best party ever.
Mwah! Happy birthday, baby.
Thank you! Uncle Masi, this has been the best birthday ever. Thank you everybody for this great birthday.
And that's it, guys. This was Krishna's birthday, and we enjoyed.
Yes!
Yes.
Yes.
And I wish this would happen
And
every
every
birthday.
year.
And I
Yeah.
guess Didi was pretty furious because of the
Mess, yeah.
mess we did.
Anu, get the keys and the bag. We have to leave now. Chalo, bye, guys. Bye. Before maybe. Okay, so we have to leave.
So
Bye.
guys, till then, ciao.
Ciao.
Clean this mess and then you are gonna leave.
Pick it up, throw it.
See the